If you like escape games, then you will love Custom Escape. Custom Escape allows you to create your own escape games and run them with your clients. Please follow this tutorial video to find out how to easily set up a custom escape game within minutes. Once set up, you will run it in exactly the same way as regular escape games. If you need more information on how to run, brief and debrief escape games, please go to your Gaminar dashboard. Select Gaminar's Ready to Use, scroll down to find escape games, and click on View Resources. On this page, you can find marketing and sales resources and also Gaminar execution resources. In order to set up a custom escape game, please click on Gaminar's Customizable and select Custom Escape from the drop-down list, then fill in all the other fields to create your Gaminar. It's very important to log in to your customized escape game as facilitator before the day of your event in order to create your custom escape. To do this, please click on Play and fill in your login details using the same email address as the one on your Gaminar account. Once logged in, you can notice that the Manage Teams and Start buttons are exactly the same as in regular escape games. What's extra is the Assign Escape Game button, which you need to access before inviting any participants to join this activity. You have two options at this point. If you want to choose one of the default custom escape games, simply click on Import Default Custom Escape, select any available game and click on Confirm Import. Next, click on Select from Existing Escape Games and select your default custom escape. Once you click on Select, everything is ready to go, so you can now invite participants to join your session. If, on the other hand, you want to create a new custom escape game, then you need to follow all the steps. So please click on Assign Escape Game. This opens a new page outlining the entire process as follows. First, create or edit a puzzle room. Second, set up a new escape game. And finally, select from existing escape games. So let's start by clicking on Create or Edit a Puzzle Room. For each puzzle, you need to upload the resources requested in this form. First, input a name for your puzzle room. We recommend including the number each puzzle has in your escape game in this name field. This will make it easier for you to correctly assemble your puzzles in your custom escape game when we get to that step in the process. Next, fill in the solution for that puzzle. Solutions can be either text, numbers, or both combined. Solutions can also be sentences, but choosing this option will make it harder for your participants as they need to figure out the spaces. Obviously, you can use a hint to explain how many words the solution has. A last remark is that solutions are not case sensitive. Then, upload the background image for this puzzle. Please be mindful of image size limits because you can only have a single clue for each puzzle. Please insert any additional clues in the background image. As you do this, try to keep all text from the background image more towards the center of this image so that it will not get cut by the top and bottom menu bars or by the icons from the left side of the screen. Next, upload your introductions for this puzzle. This is the first thing participants see when starting a puzzle room. You can upload an image or PDF file as intro, but you can also embed a video. In case you want to use a video from YouTube, for example, then simply copy and paste the link from YouTube and the platform will embed that video in your puzzle room. If you go for the image, then please be careful to fit it into the required image size. Now, we need to upload the clue, which is also an image restricted to a predefined size. Participants can access the clue with no additional time penalty. Finally, you can upload up to 3 hints. If you want, you can have less than 3 hints per puzzle, but we do recommend having at least 1. After selecting all resources, click on Create Puzzle Room to complete the upload process. To check that all resources have been correctly uploaded, please click the View Edit button next to your newly created puzzle room. Any missing resources will have incomplete status. Of course, you can replace or upload any new assets to this puzzle room from this screen. Please use the same process to create all your puzzle rooms. We usually recommend having between 3 and 9 puzzle rooms for each escape game, depending on the expected duration of your custom escape. The next step is to assemble puzzle rooms into a custom escape game, so let's go back to the screen and click on Set up a new escape game. Write a name for your custom escape and click on Save. It will appear in this table on the right, and as you can see, it currently has 0 puzzle rooms. So let's click on Customize to apply the finishing touches. There are 2 steps that need completing on the screen. Step 1 is to upload these Geminar-specific resources. The name of this escape game, which we just defined earlier. Then choose whether you want an image, a PDF, or a video as an introduction to your custom escape. Please note that participants will see this intro message before accessing the first puzzle room, so use this as a way to get participants familiar with the custom escape story. Next, choose an escape background image. As opposed to background images from puzzle rooms, this image should have no additional text on it, as it will show on the opening and end screens of your custom escape, not being tied to any puzzle room. The success image is what participants see after writing down the correct answer to a puzzle. Similarly, the unsuccessful attempt image will be shown if participants input the wrong answer to a puzzle. As always, please be mindful of the fixed image size. The last element is the final success image, which participants will only see after finishing the entire custom escape game. In step 2, you need to select your puzzle rooms and assemble them in exactly the order you need. It is for this step that we recommend including the number for each puzzle room in their name. This is to make sure that you assemble all puzzle rooms in the correct order within your custom escape game. Once this is done, clicking on Back will take us to this screen where we can see our newly created custom escape now has puzzles assigned to it. Click on Back one more time to return to the screen and click on the last button, Select from Existing Escape Games. This will allow you to assign a custom escape game from the ones you have available. As you can see, this is done super easy by selecting your desired custom escape game from this drop-down list and then clicking on this Select button. Then click on Back to Dashboard. Now, before inviting participants to join your Geminar, we strongly recommend that you create a test Geminar where you will also enter as participants in order to check that everything is set up right. Please note that custom Geminars are free for up to 2 participants, so you don't need to worry about spending credits on testing the game. For any additional information, please register for our free Train the Trainer sessions, which you can find on your Geminar dashboard in Geminar's Customizable. Please keep in mind that you have the option to sell or share your custom escape games with other facilitators from the Geminar community. If you need further help with that, please contact us directly. Thank you for watching this tutorial video and good luck.